Insulation components are made of 100% E-grade pulp by using special molds and professional manufacturing method, or special machine to ensure its insulation and mechanical strength in oil-immerged power equipment. We ENC manufacture insulation components for construction part, like end rings, clamping rings, stress ring blanks, clamping rings, narrow clamping rings and end rings, spacers, various molded parts and laminated products, corrugated boards, and we manufacture hand-molded special sheet components, such as bushings, tubes, an angle, thread tubes, shells, plates, U-shaped rings, segments of angle rings, edge insulating angle rings, segments of angle caps, edge insulating angle caps. All design, development, production, and quality control strictly advanced and integrated manufacturing techniques, along with the acquisition of new machinery ensures that we produce high-quality transformer insulation components with minimum friction vibration and low noise level consistently. Each product is subjected to various tests, and the flawless ones are dispatched to the main warehouse to fulfill its commitment of creating value for customers following the world standards. Our extensive use of learned manufacturing methods means we can offer products of guaranteed quality at a competitive price. Empowered with a trust and support, we can tackle even the most difficult motion problems with confidence. Welcome all the opportunity to make new partnership. We provide electrical insulat, iron materials, transformer materials and spare parts you need.